ever not introduce a video without a hair flip? And I am back with another summer video, and this week we are going to be talking all about hair. I have missed you guys. Oh my gosh, whenever I'm not doing YouTube, it's like, what do I do with my life in self-isolation? If it's the first time you're seeing my face, then please don't forget to subscribe and join our little growing family. I post videos every Tuesday on fashion, beauty, lifestyle. So if you love those things just as much as I do, then don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I post a video every week. So for this week's upload, I really wanted to show you guys how I get this effortless but still put together natural looking summer waves hairstyle. So this is what I usually do with my hair whenever I'm filming a video this season, or even when I take Instagram pictures on my terrace. It's actually very simple to do. And this video is just to show you guys that great voluminous hair can be as simple and effortless to achieve as it looks. This is just going to take you about 10-15 minutes of your time, especially once you're used to it. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. Hey guys! So, we're standing right now. Fun fact about me, I actually really love to curl my hair while standing up. I just feel like I have more space and control. I just feel more free with my limbs. And I don't know, I feel like when I'm sitting, especially Indian sitting, I feel like my legs are in the way. Anyway, let's proceed. Here I am with second day hair. I washed it the night before. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this brush. I really love this. It is the Professional Aka Kappa brush, and I section my hair into two parts. So there we go. I'm going to use this Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant. It matches with my shirt. I just spray this, especially along the ends of my hair. Try to use your hand as some sort of a shield as well so that you don't spritz your face. I just did like a minute ago. So I'll just brush my hair again. What we're going to do is position the curls in a way that it will frame our face going outwards, at least for the front pieces. And at the same time, if you flip your hair like this, you'll have a little bit more volume. Even now, you can actually see that I haven't even started curling my hair and it has that little oomph up there. Anyway, but that is for later. Next, I will be curling my hair with this Vidal Sassoon curler. Now, this is really cool. I got this as a Christmas present when I was around 15. And it's been with me for around 5 years now. Wow. So it has a clamp, and also you can separate it by pulling on this switch, and then it becomes a hair straightener. So I really recommend this if you want that kind of flexibility. But my hair is already naturally straight, so I just often use it as a curler. You could use it with or without the clamp. You also have that flexibility. However, I do prefer using the clamp because it makes the curls a bit more structured. And even if you're not a fan of very structured curls, I think it's fine because you can always brush them out, and yet they will still last longer compared to using this curler as just a wand. So by the way, the heat setting that I use is around 15 to 20. The heat settings are basically in multiples of 5, 10, 15, 20, until 25. Now let's proceed with curling. So first I'll start with the back section. I always do my hair one side at a time, taking around this much of hair and then brushing that out. I will start by curling my hair outwards with the clamp facing front. And as you can see, I will start not from the ends of my hair, and then I will wind my hair from there. And leave it on for 10 to 15 seconds. Okay. And then let it out slowly, like that. There it is. And as you can see, I do this kind of motion where I pull on the clamp bit by bit, repeatedly, so that the curl will stay in place. And then I'll just cup it with my hand over here and let it cool as it's rolled up. And what this will do, it will help ensure the longevity of your curls because it cools in a certain shape. There you go. And then we have this nice ringlet. Bouncy! Let's continue with the rest. You could also decide to section your hair into 4 parts. I've seen a bunch of tutorials wherein YouTubers do that, but we want this to be very easy summer hair. This is just what I do to make it look a bit more natural, make the curls look more like waves than structured ringlets. Okay, so with this next section, we are going to curl our hair inwards. We're going to do this alternately, again, to make the hair look a bit more effortless and natural. This is kind of the big section. Also depends on the thickness of your hair. So we're going to curl inwards, meaning the clamp will be at the back. And then we'll start from the middle. And the importance of starting in the middle is so that we don't burn or apply heat directly towards the ends of our hair. That way we can avoid those pesky split ends. Then 10 to 15 seconds. And then move it. Make sure that your clamp is facing away from you as you pull on it bit by bit. Have this ringlet. Let it cool. Your hand, shake your hand a bit to air it out. Then there we go. So we have those basics and we'll just continue doing that. Curl inwards, curl outwards. Super simple. Now we are approaching the pieces towards the face. I used to have layers that frame my face, but they're a bit longer now since I haven't had a haircut since February. So what we are going to do, we are going to curl this outwards. This is so that it could open up the face rather than close in on it. Just scrunching it a bit. There we go. While these curls are still relatively fresh, I'm going to take this Dove Style and Care Extra Hold Hairspray. Then I'm just going to spray this side of my hair. And if you can notice, I'm also holding the curls up. So I spray from this side. I also spray from this side. Remember to cover your face. So what I love about this Dove Style and Care Extra Hold Hairspray is that even though you use a lot of it, it doesn't drag your hair downwards with the weight of the spray, not at all. I've also found that in my experience of curling my hair is that the smaller sections you get, the tighter the curls are, considering that you use the same size of barrel. This is around an inch or 1.5 inches in diameter. And then if you take a larger piece, then your curls will be more like waves. And that helps in making it a bit more natural as well. Also, the bigger sections of hair you get, the more time you can save. More saved time plus looking more effortless and natural. I think that's a win-win. And then we just have these little sections of hair framing our face, and we will be curling that outwards. Just be careful because it's a very small section, so I'll leave it here for only about 5 seconds, or maybe less. Ooh. Just scrunch those upwards. Keep that bounce. Use hairspray. It smells like vanilla. I love it. I actually really love using these two products together. My hair looks extra glossy with the curls instead of frizzy. Of course, there is some damage with the heat, but gosh, whenever I use these products and this particular curling iron, my hair just looks very polished. So next, what we are going to do, we are going to flip our hair to the back and then flip it upside down. And just ruffle it, mess it up like that. Oh my gosh, hopefully you guys don't get scared. So while ruffling up our hair, we're going to add some hairspray, and we will add this to a bit of the scalp. Well, not directly at the scalp, but where our hair starts, just to add volume at our crown. And then the curls over here. Then we are going to flip that back. Woo! Now they look even bigger. I'm just going to mess these up a bit so that the ringlets separate. And as you separate the ringlets as well, this will add volume. Hairspray that in their new bigger shape. From the middle part that we did, I'm going to flip my hair to the side, or a side part. And you can see the added volume it gives. Va boom! It's so fluffy! So guys, that was the simple, easy, effortless summer hair tutorial. I really loved it, and I pretty much do this whenever I need a pick-me-up, especially in quarantine, and it's just a really great way to add some extra va-va-boom to your day. Also, while watching the footage from this hair tutorial, I realized how long my hair has grown since I had it cut in February. I actually did a video right after my haircut. It was my Instagram baddie one. I'll link it here on the eye. If you click on it, you can watch it too. It's in Spanish, but with English subtitles. So yeah, that was the last time I had a haircut, and I realized, it's been a while. To be honest, the thought that I've spent so much time in quarantine, it's my choice to stay home just to be safe, even though Spain is in de-escalation. So whenever I look back at all those months, I think like, whoa. Sometimes I perceive it negatively, like, oh my gosh, it's been too long from the outside world. But at the same time, I think it's also really great to still look back and think, wow, we've gone this far. Let's just keep going, keep our hopes up. You know, I haven't had a haircut in months, but it's fine. Despite the amount of time that we've spent in quarantine, I found that we still have a lot of things to be grateful for. Perhaps you have your family with you, or for me, my family is on the other side of the world. So at least I have Wi-Fi to connect with them, to connect with you guys even. If you have enough food in your refrigerator, or water to drink, or even the ability to go online shopping to buy some beauty products and give yourself a little treat, then we're pretty blessed. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post videos every Tuesday. All my links and social media account will be down in the description, so hopefully we can all connect, and I will see you guys in my next video.